Generian aims to build a pipeline of first-in-class small molecule assets that compete in markets that are currently dominated by biologics. These are high-value targets, both clinically and commercially validated, and for which there are no oral drugs available. We use CETSA and our Pelago collaboration to screen our proprietary small molecule library and identify those molecules and that chemistry that can actually recapitulate the pharmacology that we're seeing with the biologics. And this has been, to date, a very productive approach. Well, we think that the CETSA platform and approach to using CETSA in drug discovery is super powerful because it probes the protein in its natural biological context. It hasn't been genetically modified. We're essentially looking at this protein and exposing it to our small molecule library, and we're identifying small molecules that would bind to that protein, potentially in cryptic binding zones that wouldn't be detectable using any other methods. So we think, Pelago, they're experts in the CETSA space, and we want to have the best, most powerful platform possible. So it was a natural partner for us. If I could sum up what it's like to work with Pelago, I would say in one word, dedicated. So the team is truly dedicated. Each project that we do with Pelago, the team members are configured in such a way that we have the right people doing the work that needs to get done, and there's a real feeling that they're dedicated to getting the best results possible, and if they're unable to do that, they come back and ask the questions why and try to troubleshoot that. Pelago just doesn't throw stuff over the wall and say, here's the data. We have regular meetings. There's a lot of discussion around how to interpret the data and what we can do next to make it as powerful as possible and as productive as possible. So I think it's a level of dedication that we don't often see in some CROs that we work with. So that's why I like to use the word research partners, because that's what it feels like.